Hey guys, welcome to MyAirBags. I'm Eli, and today we are removing the SRS control module on this Hyundai Elantra. Here at MyAirBags.com, we specialize in rebuilding airbag control modules and seatbelts. So after an accident, the airbags need to be replaced. The airbag module and seatbelts do as well. However, here at MyAirBags.com, we can actually reset your original airbag module, and we can also professionally rebuild your original seatbelt so they will work again as designed. This car, the driver's seat is powered, so let's go ahead and move that back first. As far back as it goes, because we're going to need to get into this center console area right here. Now, anytime we're working with the airbag system, the first thing we always want to do is disconnect the battery. In this car, however, the driver's seat is powered, so we want to go ahead and just move that back all the way, as far as back as it goes. And then we're going to go ahead and start with the negative side first. Next, we want to go ahead and start moving up this panel right here, the center panel here and the side here. They're held down by a series of clips, so if you pull on hard enough, it will pop right out. You can use a flat bar to assist, to get underneath. You just want to be very careful. Or you can go ahead and just get the right angle, the right leverage, and just pull right up. You just kind of want to move it back and forth. And under here is where the tabs and clips will be, and you can just kind of pry it right up. Next, we want to go ahead and start working on this piece right here. Same idea, it's held down by a few clips. And here you can see those clips that are holding it in. And then here at the front towards the radio, there's one screw, a Phillips head. And at this point, you can feel it that it's pretty loosened up. You want to get right underneath here and push on this piece right here. It's a little trim that holds it down on the sides, and you can feel it. These little clips that hold it in, you can press it down from the bottom, and you can help it from the top. Get right underneath here, and you just want to loosen it up all around the outside. And we're just talking about this piece here, not this black piece here. This will break if you try to force it too much. So just this piece here. And so the next step is we need to go ahead and put this gear shift into its lowest position away from the radio console. And before you do that, go ahead and make sure the car is leveled. Make sure there's something in front or behind the tire so the car isn't moving when it's out of gear, just for precaution. And so now we can go ahead and start moving the gear shift away. There's a little red button you can press down on, a little indent here. Press down on that using a flathead or a pen, and go ahead and move it back. Next, we need to go ahead and slide this whole center piece out, preferably to the right here. And when we have it in this position here, you will see down here this white plug here. And then right here, you'll see this yellow wire plug here. You can go ahead and take it off its mount from the top, and you can see much easier. There's a little clip here. You can press down, you can pinch on it, and then just separate it. Now, once you have that center console piece off, you can leave everything here as it is. A lot of people ask us in the comments, why do we make videos showing how to remove the airbag module? And the thing is, the airbag module is a black box. So after an accident, it will record data on the collision, and it will store codes, and it will permanently set a code where you can't reuse it again. At least that's what the dealership will tell you. They will want to actually sell you a brand new module. Here at MyAirBags.com, we can actually reset the original module that was in the car during an accident, and it will work again just as designed. So we do that with the airbag module as well as the seat belts. The seat belts are the same idea. They deploy after an accident, and they can be rebuilt back to its original design and function. So here at MyAirBags, we specialize in the airbag module reset as well as the seatbelt refurbishing service. And if you want to know more about our services, just go to MyAirBags.com. Right here, you can clearly see the module On this car, it's a black plastic box, and on any car, it's always going to be bolted down to the very floor or the ground of the vehicle. It's never going to be on a seat or on any movable part. It's always going to be bolted down to the ground of the vehicle. Now, the most important thing here before we start working on the module here is to go ahead and disconnect the battery if it isn't already. Then, after you disconnect the battery, you want to go ahead and start with the wires first, these plugs. After the plugs, you want to go ahead and start removing the bolts that hold down the module to the floor of the vehicle. Same thing goes for when you are installing the module. Bolt the module down first, nice and firmly, then the plugs, and then it's safe to go ahead and apply power to the vehicle. Here on the wire harnesses, you want to go ahead and indent on this little clip here. And then while you're doing that, you want to simultaneously move this lever over, and then the whole plug harness will come right out. And then same here, just indent and push over the lever. Then here you want to use a 10 socket wrench for these 3 bolts that are holding it down, 1 in the front and 2 in the back. If you do need more room to get in and work on the module, you can definitely take off these side panels here. I'm just trying to show you the quickest way to get to the module. So we're going to go ahead and use that 10 socket wrench to go ahead and remove the 3 bolts. So guys, the main reason why we do this in showing how to get to the airbag module and the seat belts, we create many other videos just like this. This is a 2025 Elantra. We did one on a 2018. And we have 50 other videos just like this. We also show how to remove seat belts for other cars. So if you're interested in getting the airbag module reset and the seat belts rebuilt, you can just go to MyAirBags.com. You can call us, text us, and we'll be happy to answer any questions you have.